Hello guys, what's up guys? This is the DIY Venom mask for Halloween. This is old Power Ranger mask, Black Power Ranger. And my daughter just painted white for the eyes. And she put the teeth here. And I put some tongue. I use this kind of tape. And I just put the hole in the eye so I can see better. And all you have to do is put a hoodie and voila, it's a Halloween costume. This is Venom. There will be no carnage. So it's very easy. Easy peasy. 1, 2, 3. The tongue is just simple but terrible. So what you think? Maybe need an upgrade for the teeth. Put some real teeth in here. Put some nicer tongue. I don't know what you think, guys. Comment down below. Okay. We are Venom. Saday mo. Oh, no. I'm an island boy, just try to make it. I'm an island boy, just try to make it. Nunsaday ka. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more video like this and the future. Peace out. Okay. You gonna lick it before you kick it.